What is Facebook Messenger Room and how to use it? Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video, I'll tell you that what is Facebook Messenger Room and how to use it. Okay, so guys, if you don't know what is Facebook Messenger Room, then guys watch this video. And if you don't know how to use it, then also you can watch this video and you can learn how to use the Facebook Messenger Room and what is Facebook Messenger Room actually. Okay, so guys, if you want to know everything, you must watch this video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So guys, make sure to have the latest version of the application at first. Okay, if you didn't update your Facebook Messenger, go to Play Store, update it. If you don't have the Facebook Messenger, go to Play Store and install it, and then turn on your Facebook Messenger. Okay, so if you go to Facebook Messenger, there you can see one option saying create room option. Okay, here you can see create room. So if you click here, you can create Facebook Messenger rooms. Okay, you can create Facebook Messenger rooms. And guys, how it's work actually is you can contact with your friends through video call. Okay, for some meetings also you can use room future. Okay, if you are going to do meeting, okay, office meeting or school meeting or online classes, you can use create room future. Okay, so from here you can connect to 150 people at once. Okay, and you can video chat with them. Okay, so this is how it work. So how to use it? Okay, so this is what Facebook Messenger room is. Okay, you can do video calling from here. So if you go to create room, then guys you will see this kind of interface. So first you have to select the room activity. Okay, so what kind of activity you want to set, you can set it. There is a plus option, you can set custom room also. So now we'll set happy hour, who can join. Okay, from here you can join, you can set the public privacy, anyone with a link or people you can invite. So like this you have to set, and from here you can schedule your Facebook chat room. So enable it, give the date, okay, and then give the timing, click okay. So now you have to click on the create room. After you click on the create room option, you will see this kind of interface. So from here you can invite your friends as well, and if you don't want to invite, you can end the room. But guys, we have to invite someone at least. Okay, and then click on the finish option and then click okay. So now it's done, and here is your room. So from here you can directly start your meeting. Okay, so you have to click here to start your meeting, to start your room, and after that people can join you. Okay, your friends can join you. So this is how you have to use it. Okay, and after you create a room, so that's it. If you want to create one more room, you can create it from here. Okay, so this is what Facebook room is, and this is how you have to use it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.